Hi guys, so today we're gonna do the spicy chillins. We have our noodles and just drink what we by Ruana saying stuff. We just I don't know why it's my screen like I will like show you guys stuff. We are busy making the noodles. The spice is already on it now. This is the hot sauce which we are gonna put on. And we got more stuff now. We got gummies. I'm just kidding. We have fork now. You know what I'm gonna put for some lips? Lip gloss. Lip gloss is gonna save the day. You need to put lipstick or anything on to save your lips. Like, to save your lips. Why should I leave like this? No, yeah. I will come back when the video starts. Hi guys, so we are Wow, that was first, but see, start first. Wait, I'm gonna put love for my laps for safety.
Is dat lach, joh? Dat is lach. Brand iemand een week nog eens. Een week brand nou al van een beetje. Kom aan, beginnen dus, kom.
Put that all your laps is gonna like.
Die bakker had los, kiezen die bakker had een rijp.
Scared. Here's the pop. Wat is dat? So we got some poppies.
Here's the purple one, guys.
That's the purple one is mine.
I want that stuff. No, there's only 5 bompies. See now, guys, there's 8 bompies.
No, I didn't take 8 bompies.
Did you take a bompie in? See?
I take 1 bompie. She takes 1 bompie.
I did
Take
one bompie. Nice.
Spicy.
Nice. What is that? Spicy. Nice. Take
Come, I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take a try. This one's good. You need to come in the video.
Can you sit like in the video now?
Don't. Yes, I would like that. Yes, now all of that.
Spicy challenge. I'm waiting for. I'm not scared of these noodles, guys.
Nothing. Not spicy. Wow, it hits though. It's very good. It's not spicy. Why is that stuff sitting in my ear? Ik bedoel bij slijmen, maar dat is slijmen. Als we die doen.